Experiencing no service or activation issues with your AirTalk Wireless SIM card can be frustrating. This section will guide you through immediate fixes and essential troubleshooting steps. AirTalk Wireless is a mobile virtual network operator, or MVNO, that operates on major carrier networks, primarily T-Mobile's infrastructure. This means they provide wireless service using T-Mobile's towers and network. The most common issues include no service display on your phone, activation delays when setting up new service, and network registration failures where your phone cannot connect to the cellular network. Before troubleshooting, ensure your smartphone meets the basic requirements. Your device must be GSM unlocked and compatible with T-Mobile's network, supporting specific frequency bands including bands 2, 4, 12, 66, and 71. Now let's walk through the basic troubleshooting steps. Step 1 is to power cycle your device. Turn off your phone completely for 30 seconds, then power it back on and wait for the network to register. Step 2 involves inspecting your SIM card. Carefully remove the SIM card from your device and reinsert it, checking for any physical damage like scratches or cracks. Make sure the SIM card is properly oriented in the correct direction. If the basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your no service or activation issues, the next step is to configure your network settings, which we'll cover in the Advanced Solutions section. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve your AirTalk Wireless SIM issues, the next step is configuring your APN settings. APN stands for Access Point Name, and it tells your device how to connect to the mobile network. For AirTalk Wireless, you need to enter specific APN settings. Navigate to your phone's network settings and configure the following values carefully. After entering these settings, save the configuration and restart your device. This allows the new APN settings to take effect and establish a proper connection to the network. If APN configuration doesn't solve the problem, try resetting your network settings. This will clear all saved Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings, returning them to factory defaults. Additionally, check for carrier settings updates and software updates. These updates often contain important network compatibility improvements and bug fixes that can resolve connectivity issues. For activation problems, verify that your device's IMEI number is correctly registered with AirTalk Wireless. IMEI registration issues can prevent proper network authentication. If you're porting a number from another carrier, ensure your previous account is in good standing and maintain your old service until the port completes. Number porting typically takes 1 to 3 business days. If these advanced solutions don't resolve your issue, AirTalk Wireless offers multiple support channels. You can contact them through online chat, phone support, or email for personalized assistance. Remember to have your account information, device model, and IMEI number ready when contacting support. This will help them assist you more efficiently in resolving your SIM card issues.